YouTube is 20 years old, and as part of their Made on YouTube 2025 anniversary celebration, they have launched over 30 mind-blowing features in AI tools that is going to help content creators to grow faster on YouTube and make their content creation process easier. Whether you make shorts, live streams, podcasts, long-form content, or everything, these updates and features are going to help you to level up your game. So I've gone through all of these features and I've carefully selected 7 features that is going to help you to get more views and more subscribers on your channel, whether you are a new YouTuber or an old content creator. Number 7 is a game changer, so make sure you take it very seriously. Let's begin. Number 1 is A/B title testing. Now, YouTube already has a feature called A/B thumbnail testing, where you can actually test 2 different thumbnails on one video. So if you have 2 different thumbnails and you're not sure which particular thumbnail you should use for a particular video, you can actually upload the two when you are uploading your YouTube video, and YouTube is going to test these 2 thumbnails with different audience, and the one that is going to get more clicks, the one that is going to get more views, YouTube is going to maintain that one for you. And now YouTube has introduced A/B title testing, where you can actually test 2 different titles for a particular video. So if you're not sure which title you should use, YouTube is going to test these 2 titles, and the one that gets more clicks, more views, YouTube is going to maintain that particular title for that particular video. So this is a great feature that is going to help you to make better decisions and help you to get more views and grow your channel faster. So by the end of this video, I want you to comment down below and let me know which feature interests you the most. YouTube is taking short creation to a whole new level with a lot of AI tools and capabilities. YouTube is introducing Google's Veo 3 AI in our shorts, which is going to help you to do a lot of things. You can change your shorts background, you can add motion to your shorts, you can style your shorts, and you can even add objects in your shorts. Another AI tool that is going to take your short creation to a whole new level is the Edit with AI feature. With this feature, you can generate shorts with AI. All you have to do is select some videos from your gallery, and with just one click, Edit with AI is going to help you to generate a short for you. You can also use Google's Veo 3 in Shorts to generate short clips using text prompts. Another mind-blowing AI tool which is going to be introduced in our shorts is the speech-to-song feature. This can help you to generate your own songs from your video dialogues. Now you don't have to worry about using songs that is going to get you copyright strikes. You can generate your own songs and use them in your YouTube shorts. The third important tool YouTube is introducing is what we call likeness detection. This is a very useful tool that is going to help detect and eliminate fraud or scam from YouTube. You see, some people can actually take a video of you, they can take even a picture or your voice, and they will take it to AI tool that is going to help them to generate voices or help them to generate clips that they can use to impersonate you, they can use to fraud other people. So the likeness detection tool is going to help creators to detect this type of content, and you can take them down or delete them from YouTube. YouTube is getting smarter and smarter by the day, and this very important tool is going to be very useful to help protect a lot of channels from scam or impersonation. Another mind-blowing feature that YouTube is introducing, which I am really looking forward to, is the AI chat box called Ask Studio. So YouTube is introducing an AI chat box called Ask Studio right in the YouTube studio. So for creators like me who use ChatGPT and other AI tools to help generate video titles, video descriptions, thumbnail ideas, or video ideas, this is going to be a game changer. Now you don't need ChatGPT or any other AI tool. All you have to do is use Ask Studio right in your YouTube studio, and it can help you to do all of these things for free. So personally, I use ChatGPT to do a lot of research to help grow my channel. So Ask Studio is going to be a game changer. It is going to help us as content creators to get inspiration, to get ideas, to get insights on how we can grow our channel. Let me know in the comment section if you are looking forward to this feature. YouTube is changing the way people do live streams and podcasts. Previously, you can do a live stream either in a vertical format or a landscape format. But now, creators can feel free to do a live stream on any format that they desire, and viewers can watch them on a landscape or vertical format depending on the device. So if a viewer is watching you from a desktop or a TV, they are going to see you in a landscape format. If they are watching you from their mobile phones, they are going to see you in a vertical format. Another interesting live stream feature is the practice before live feature. So if you are feeling shy to go live, especially if it is your first time, you can actually practice before you go live. So you're going to practice even though your live stream is not going to be public. You can feel free to practice as though people are watching you, but your live stream is not public. And when you're ready to go live, you click on go live, and then your live stream is going to go live. You can also turn your live streams into different shows to help you get more views and reach new audience using AI. This is going to be a game changer for content creators who do live streams. Also, with your video podcast, you can create different clips or shorts from your video podcast so you can get more views and reach new audience. And you can also turn your audio podcast into a video podcast using AI. A lot of YouTubers use different AI tools to do all of these things, and mostly at a cost. And now you have all of these things coming up on YouTube all for free. The fifth important tool that is going to be introduced to YouTube is the collaboration feature. This is a game changer, and it is going to change the way YouTubers collaborate forever. Previously, when you collaborate with another YouTuber, let's say you make a video on a particular subject with another YouTuber, all you can do is you post the video and then you mention their channel, or you put their channel links in your video description so viewers can check their channel out, check their videos, and maybe they can subscribe. Now you can collaborate with up to 5 members, and when you're done collaborating with them, you can post the video and you can invite them. When they accept the invitation, their channels are also going to be present on the video, and viewers or people can actually click to subscribe to their channels. So this is a great way to collaborate with others to get more subscribers on your channel. So when you post the video is also going to be available on their subscription feed. So it is going to help discover more people. It is going to help your channel to discover or reach new audience, hence getting more views and more subscribers. When you are posting the video, you can also enable whether you want other collaborators to see the video analytics. However, the revenue of the video is still going to be visible to only you. So this is a great time to collaborate with other content creators if you want to reach new audience, if you want to get more views, and if you want to get more subscribers and grow your channel faster. And to my favorite feature of them all, this feature is a game changer, and this is called auto dubbing and lip sync. This feature is going to help you to reach new audiences, different audiences who don't speak the same language as you. So initially, for example, if I'm speaking English and I want to reach French speaking viewers, all I have to do is use video subtitle. So you go to your YouTube studio and you add a French video subtitle so that when viewers who speak French, they are watching you, they can read the subtitle. But with this auto dubbing and lip sync feature, YouTube can translate whatever you are saying, and it can sync your lips, and it's going to look as if you are speaking French even though you are speaking English. This is a game changer, and it is going to help you to reach broader audience. It's going to help you to reach new audience from different countries who don't even speak the same language as you, and it is going to help you to get more views, more subscribers, and grow your channel faster and even bigger. Now, all of these different features are going to be rolled out in different times. Some will be rolled out in the coming weeks, some in the coming months, some until the end of the year, and some in 2026. Others will be available in some countries before it goes globally. Some will be available to certain creators before it goes to everybody. But I'll make sure that I'll do a detailed tutorial on all of these features when they are finally rolled out to everybody. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned. Also, comment down below and let me know which feature interests you and which feature you are actually looking forward to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.